Dziewonski from Krav Maga Federation of America. Today I'm here with Billy. We're at the Performance Krav Maga of Turnersville, and we're going to show you how to do a cavalier. Ready? Let's go. Okay, so let's talk about cavalier and different variations of the cavalier. The one that we use in Krav Maga the most is going over his fist with my fingers, okay? So my fingers are gonna align on top of his fingers. And my other hand is gonna grab the wrist, but I want the fingers inside, okay? A little bit deeper. From here, I wanna bend his wrist and go with this motion. Okay, so I can take him down, but before I take him down, I'm going to do taisabaki. Okay, so look, 1, and I will control his arm so he doesn't spin and take my legs out. Okay, show it to you one more time. So I count for the cavalier. 1, I will do taisabaki, bend his wrist. 1, and control right away. Now, if I want to bring him on his back, I will go straight, bend his wrist this way, and move forward. 1. See? Now I have him on his back. If I want to bring him down on his knee with cavalier, I will bend his knees, and right now, bend his wrist, and right now the motion is down, and he comes down on his knee. Okay? Now the cavalier I can do just for the control, for the pain compliance, and sometimes when he has a weapon, we can disarm this way. It will be cavalier up, and right now I have him in pain. If he had a knife, I can strip it from here and continue. Another thing I can show you is some people are going to have a very strong grip, and you cannot bend the wrist, and you need that to have a successful cavalier. So there are 2 things I can do, actually more. 1, I can distract him with the combatives, this is gonna help. But the second thing is I will hit and slide on his fist. If I do it fast, it's gonna bend the wrist, and now I go to the cavalier. Another option is to come and do the cavalier with my elbow. 1, taisabaki, and control. This way I'm using leverage of my body, okay? So 1, I cannot do it, I come with my elbow and pop. So what can we do after the cavalier, okay? After the cavalier I can basically disengage, or 1, I can bring him on his stomach, like this. 1, 2, and now I go for the handcuff control, okay? Another way would be 1, bring him on his stomach this way, and come for the control. I can also come to the lock. And if I want to move from this position to the handcuff position, I'll come around his head and I have him on his stomach. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel, we're posting videos weekly. And remember, be safe. Kida.